Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. The title of our today's video is How to Send WhatsApp Messages to Facebook Leads for Sports Club. So I am running a sports club, and to promote my club I am running lead ads, and I wish that as soon as I receive a new lead in my Facebook lead ads, an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to all my leads. For this, we are going to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. To create this integration, we are going to use Pabbly. It's an amazing automation software. In Pabbly, we have the concept of trigger and action. So for trigger, we are using Facebook lead ads, and for action, we are using WhatsApp Cloud API. If you want to learn this process step by step, follow me through the screen. Welcome to my screen. So as you know, the title of our today's video is how to send automated WhatsApp message to all our sports club lead. So I'm running a sports club, and to promote my club I'm running lead ads, and I wish that as soon as I receive a new lead, an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to all my leads. For this, we are going to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. To create this integration, we are going to use Pabbly. So we are going to open a new tab, search for pabbly.com/connect. And then we are going to click on enter. And yes, you can see that we have successfully opened the landing page of Pabbly. And over here we have two options. One is sign in and the another one says sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. But I am an existing user, so I am going to click on sign in. And now it is opening all Pabbly apps. Over here you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we want to connect two applications, that is Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So we are going to click on access now. And now it is opening my dashboard window. And to start with the automation, we are going to click on this button right over here which says create workflow. And now it is asking me the folder I want to save my workflow in and my workflow name. So the folder I want to save the workflow in is Facebook lead ads to WhatsApp automation, and I want to name my workflow as WhatsApp messages to Facebook leads for sports club. And now I'm going to click on create. And now it is opening my workflow window. This is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. By this you can understand that the trigger is the commander for the workflow and actions follow the command. And as you know that we can have only a single commander but multiple followers. So over here we can have only a single trigger but multiple actions following the command of our trigger. So we are going to select our trigger application as Facebook lead ads. And then our trigger event as new lead instant. I'm going to select new lead instant because I want that as soon as a new lead is submitted, instantly Pabbly should capture the response and trigger the workflow. And now we are going to click on connect. And it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have already connected your Facebook lead ads account with your Pabbly's workflow, you can click on select existing connection, but I'm going to click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. I'm going to select my account and click on continue. And yes, you can see that we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly's workflow. And now it is asking me the page and the lead gen form. So as you know, the name of our page is Delhi Sports Club. So we are going to select over here. And for the lead gen forms, we are going to select Delhi Sports Club contact form. Because I want only the leads of this particular form should be sent an automated WhatsApp message. If you want to create this automation for your all lead gen forms, you can select all lead gen forms over here too. After selecting my desired form, I'm going to click on save and send test request. And now Pabbly is saying waiting for a webhook response. This means that Pabbly is waiting to capture a response. So we are going to generate a dummy response for Pabbly. We'll open a new tab. Search for Meta for Developers. Open Meta for Developers. And now it is opening the landing page of Meta for Developers. And then we are going to go on more and then tools. And then we are going to select lead ads RTO debug tool. We are going to select our account, that is Delhi Sports Club. And then Delhi Sports Club contact form. And then we are going to click on preview form. And now it is asking me for some details. So I'm going to fill in the dummy details. So yes, as you can see that I filled all the dummy details, and now I'm going to click on next and then submit. And now it is saying your test lead has been sent. So we'll go to our workflow and check that if Pabbly has captured the lead or not. And yes, you can see that Pabbly has captured the lead. Here's the dummy name, the dummy phone number and the dummy email. This means that our automation is successful, and now we are moving on to our action step. For our action application, we are going to select WhatsApp Cloud API. And for our action event, we are going to select Send Template Message. And then we are going to click on Connect. Again, it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have already connected your WhatsApp Cloud API account with your Pabbly's workflow, you can click on Select Existing Connection. But I'm going to click on Add a New Connection, and then it is asking me the token, the phone number ID, and the WhatsApp Business Account ID. For this, I'll show you my API setup. So over here, you can see that I've already set up my API. So if you want to learn how to set up an API, you can check out our YouTube channel. And now we are going to copy the temporary access token, phone number ID, and the WhatsApp Business Account ID from here and paste it in our Pabbly's workflow. So I'll copy the temporary access token. As you can see that this is a temporary token. If you want to generate a permanent token, you can check out our YouTube channel. And then I'm going to copy these details and paste it in my workflow. After pasting all these details, I'm going to click on Save. And yes, you can see that we have successfully connected our WhatsApp Cloud API account with our Pabbly's workflow. And now it is asking me the template name and the language code. So we are again going to our API setup. And over here, you can see to create your own message template, click here. So we are going to click here. And you can see that I've created a lot of templates over here. So if you want to create your own template, you can click on Create Template over here. I'm going to select one from this only, that is Facebook Leads Message. So I'll open my workflow and search for Facebook Leads Message. And over here, you can see this, and I'll select this. And now Pabbly detected the language code and the template ID. So we don't have to change this. We'll just map the recipient mobile number and the body field 1. So mapping means inserting the data from the previous step, and our previous step was the trigger step where we selected Facebook Lead Ads as our trigger application. So we are going to map the details from the response of our trigger application only. So we'll open the response, and over here you can see the phone number. So I'm going to map this. And then it is saying body field 1 example dummy user. So for this, I'll take you to my template. Over here, you can see that this is my template, and here 1 is written in curly brackets. This means that 1 is a variable, and this will change with every new lead. I want 1 to change with every new lead because I want all of my leads should receive a more personalized message. So this 1 would be replaced with the name of our lead. So we'll just select body field 1 as the name of our lead, that is dummy user. And then before clicking on Save and Send Test Request, I'll just replace the dummy phone number with my original phone number so that I can show you the response and the message received. After changing my number, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And yes, you can see that it is saying message status accepted. This means that we have successfully sent a WhatsApp message on our WhatsApp. So we are going to open our WhatsApp and check that if we have received the message or not. So we'll open our WhatsApp. And yes, you can see that we have received a message with hello demo user and the message that we drafted. This means that our automation is successful, and I'll just try the automation once again and give you a real-time example. So we are going to open our lead ads testing tool, delete the previous lead and refresh the page. It is really important to delete the previous lead and refresh the page, otherwise you will not be able to create new leads or preview the form. Again, we are going to select our page as Delhi Sports Club. And then our form as Delhi Sports Club contact form, and then we are going to click on preview form. And now I'm going to fill in the dummy details again. And yes, you can see that I filled my details again, and now I'm going to click on next and then submit. And now it is saying your test lead has been sent. This means that lead ads testing tool has sent our leads to our workflow, and then workflow sent an automated WhatsApp message to all our leads. So I'll directly open my WhatsApp and check that if I have received the message or not. This time we are not going back to our workflow and clicking on Save and Send Test Request. We'll directly go to our WhatsApp. And yes, you can see that we have received a new message with the new name that we entered, that is the test user. This means that our automation is successful, and we'll just summarize the workflow once. So for our trigger application, we selected Facebook Lead Ads. For our trigger event, we select New Lead Instant. We connected our Facebook Lead Ads account with Pabbly's workflow, and then we generated a lead for Pabbly to capture. And then for the actions, for the action application, we selected WhatsApp Cloud API, and for the action event, we selected Send Template Message. So if you have any query related to the workflow or the video, you can directly comment on this video, and for your reference, I'll just clone the workflow and share the workflow link in the description box. Thank you for watching.
Not only these two applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can integrate many more applications. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. And if you find this video helpful, do like and subscribe our channel for more such automations. Thank you.